Today I'm going to build a cubby house. These are the parts. It's in 1 billion pieces. There is 1 gazillion screws and there is a novel. Let's do this. Life is a ride. Okay. Alright, we have 2 walls. 1 wall.
There ain't nothing new, I can't do no more. From the outer crust to the inner core, all my values keep me wondering. So much love, but I just don't know which way this river will flow. Fix me up and let me go. All my time just keeps me pondering.
That's enough for today. Run out of sunlight. Let's cut to tomorrow. Bang! It's now day 2. Got about 50 pages to go. Right, another wall done. And another wall done.
Circle of life goes round and round. Dancing feet to the ultrasound. Vibrations make shapes on a mass amount. Soul searching in another life. Taste testing for what I really like. So thirsty for the ultra.
We have a roof on.
Collective consciousness will soon be mine.
Oh, did it!